Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, now open Google Photos. First, choose the album or the exact photo you want to share. This sets the link content. Once you've picked items, tap the share icon and look for Create Link or Get Link. Make sure you understand, creating a link makes a copyable URL that others can view. It does not change your original files. If you want multiple items, group them into one album first, then create the link from that album. Once the link is generated, you'll see options, copy, share, or manage. You need to decide, allow viewers to add photos or only view. Click the settings or three-dot menu to set permissions and, if available, an expiration. This matters for privacy and clutter. Also, check whether comments or collaborator access is enabled. Keep it off for simple viewing. After configuring, tap Copy Link and paste it into your chosen channel, or use the built-in share sheet to send it instantly. You're almost done. Test the link. Open an incognito browser tab and paste the URL to confirm public access. If viewers complain, revoke the link from the album's share settings and create a new one. That immediately invalidates the old URL. If link generation fails, make sure your app is updated, your device is synced to the correct Google account, and you haven't exceeded storage or sharing limits. One key tip: clear cache or reinstall the app when persistent errors block link creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.